And a judge in New York has tonight ordered President-elect Donald Trump to be sentenced over his hush money case next Friday, 10 days before his inauguration. But the judge has indicated that he won't sentence Mr. Trump to time in jail for falsifying business records to commit election fraud. Let's find out more from our US correspondent, Martha Kellner. So what happened tonight then, Martha, and how extraordinary is it that he will have to appear virtually or in person for sentencing?
Completely extraordinary and unprecedented. This is a significant and striking development, Anna, in this case. As a reminder, this concerns Donald Trump's conviction from last year of 34 counts of falsifying business records. This relates to hush money payments made to the porn star Stormy Daniels in the dying days of the 2016 election campaign. Donald Trump was found guilty by a jury that he and his lawyers played a part in choosing. He was facing the possibility of 4 years in prison. Well, it's unusual that a judge gives a preview of what sentence they're minded to hand down, but given the extraordinary circumstances of this particular convict, it is not that surprising that Judge Juan Merchan is saying that he won't sentence Donald Trump to prison time. He says he's minded to unconditionally discharge him. That means there will be no penalty for Donald Trump for breaking the law here, but he will still enter the Oval Office with that unwanted mantle of being the first president to be a convicted criminal should this sentencing take place on January the 10th, which is 10 days before Inauguration Day. Donald Trump's team are likely to appeal this sentencing date. He has always said that this case against him was a witch hunt, somehow instigated by the Biden administration and President Biden himself. To that end, Donald Trump's spokesperson, Stephen Chung, saying this evening, this lawless case should never have been brought and the Constitution demands that it be immediately dismissed. President Trump must be allowed to continue the presidential transition process and to execute the vital duties of the presidency unobstructed by the remains of this or any remnants of the witch hunts. I guess that sentence kind of reflects upon just how far these criminal cases against Donald Trump have come in such a short period of time. Just a year ago, Donald Trump was staring down the barrel of 4 criminal cases against him. Well, yes, he has been convicted in 1 case, but 2 cases, those federal cases around election subversion and classified documents, which were led by the special prosecutor, Jack Smith, they have been dismissed. There is still 1 outstanding case around election subversion in Georgia, but that's all but dead in the water because state criminal cases cannot be brought against a sitting president. So yes, Donald Trump may enter the White House on the 20th of January with his status as a convicted felon cemented, but he won't receive any penalty and certainly no prison time.